Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll see the making of terracotta festive jumkas. So for making jumka, I'm using this mold. Apply oil in the mold and press the clay in it. Already I've made these hanging beads and it is dried. After making the designs, I'll remove the clay in the inner portion so that the weight of the jumka get reduced, and then I'll attach the hanging beads. So after attaching the beads, now I'm going to make a hole at the center. I'm using a needle to make the hole. Let this part of the jumka dry, then we'll go for the next step. I have made 4 smaller beads. Now with the help of the nigrom wire, I am going to attach this bead with the jumka. Take a nigrom wire and make a loop at the end. Now insert the bead in the nigrom wire. Now insert this nigrom wire in the hole which I have made in the jumka. Now add one more bead at the top of the jhumka. Let this part dry. Now we'll go for making the stud part. For making stud, I have taken a Lakshmi pendant mold. Now I'll show you how I'm using a pendant mold to make a stud. So now the stud is ready. I'm going to attach two beads at both the sides. Attach a U-pin at the center. Let the stud part dry. So now the bottom portion and the studs are dried completely. Now we'll go for attaching these two pieces. So the festive jhumka is ready. See how beautifully it rotates in the bottom. Let this dry for 3 to 4 days, then we can bake it. For baking, I've made a separate video. I'll give the link in the description. If you want, you can check it. These are the baked pieces. So first I've attached the stud base so that it will be easy for me while painting. I can hold it and paint. Silver and red are the colors which I'm going to use. After painting, I'll varnish the earrings. So our festive jhumka is ready. Hope you all like the design. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Visit my Facebook and Instagram page for more collections. Thanks for watching.